Hello children, today we'll discuss Lancho's character sketch, which is in the first chapter of the book First Flight, and the chapter's name is A Letter to God, and which is in the class 10th syllabus. So children, first we'll discuss the characteristics of Lancho and then we'll discuss the answer in detail. So let's begin with the characteristics. First, that he was a farmer and he was a very hard-working farmer because he has been called ox of a man. And he was a very simple-hearted man because he decides to write a letter to God once his corn crops are destroyed. Then he had a faith in God. He had a deep faith in God and he believes that God is going to help him in this situation of crisis. And then he is very optimist because he has such a blind faith that he knows that God is going to help him. He comes back again to the post office to check the reply from God. Then he is very honest because once he receives 70 pesos, he again writes a letter to God only for remaining 30 pesos. He does not take it for granted. He only asks for the remaining 30 pesos. So now let's discuss Lancho's character in detail. That Lancho is a protagonist. The word protagonist means that he is the main character, he is the hero, or he is the main character of the story in a letter to God, and he is a farmer by profession. He is a very hard-working man who works in his fields in the valley. His house and fields were in the valley, and he is also called ox of a man because he was very hard-working, and he is a very simple-hearted man. When his corn crop is destroyed by the hails, because the hailstorm had come over, that's why his crops were destroyed. So he believes that God will help him in this situation of crisis to meet his family requirements by providing him 100 pesos. He is so hopeful, he has such a blind faith in God, he has such a firm belief in God that God is going to help him with 100 pesos so that he can meet all his family requirements for that full year, since his crops are destroyed and he does not have anything to feed his family. Therefore, he writes a letter to God asking for help. This shows his faith in God. He is so simple-hearted and optimist that he blindly believes that God will send him the money which he had asked for and help him. He even comes to the post office after some time to check the reply from God. That shows that he was very simple-hearted and he was a firm believer that God is going to help him. This again shows his firm belief in God and simple-heartedness. And when he receives 70 pesos in the envelope, he does not lose heart. He does not get angry over God that God has sent only 70 pesos. He writes again to God asking for remaining 30 pesos. He only asks for the remaining 30 pesos. He does not want to ask for more. He is not taking it for granted that God is surely going to help him. So he does not become greedy. He is not tempted by anything. He only asks for the remaining 30 pesos of the money which God had sent across. This shows his honesty as he asks for the remaining 30 pesos only, not for more. But on the same hand, he does not believe in humanity because he did not ask for help from any human being, and he calls the post office employees a bunch of crooks because here he is not doubting God. He is doubting that the post office employees must have taken his money, that 30 pesos. These post office employees have taken. God had sent him the full 100 pesos. So that's why he calls them a bunch of crooks, and he just does not think that maybe it's only the post office employees they who could have helped him with the money. So that shows that he was not a believer of humanity, but he had a unshakable faith in God. So here the character sketch finishes.